Alright guys, just doing a little DIY Dizzy Rock style today. We're going to do a little round bar stool, an old one that we use in the workroom, but simple. We'll take it apart and put it together real quick and show you how to get started. These things usually, this one has a swivel, so you see the screws underneath there, you just want to turn it just so you can get in there. Now we got the base separated from the seat. Now we can take the actual seat out of the frame. These usually got Phillips head screws in them. Alright, now we're just going to use our staple puller and just get to work on these things. You gotta have a little bit of force in here. This is going to take a while. Sometimes these are stubborn. If you can't just like push it in and pull it out, you can just tap it in there. It's a little easier. You're going to want a pair of side dikes too to pull these out afterwards. You can just pull all these out. Alright, so now all the staples are off. We're good to go. You can just pull this off now. Flip her over. Just got the clean old Dacron. You could actually, to save time, you could use this as a template, but I'm going to show you how to measure and cut your own fabric. I like to give like 3 inches of pull room on there so we can get enough for your fingers to wrap around it. I'm going to use some sprinkle fabric. We had some extra lying around, so I'm going to use that. I'm just going to place it on there. There's no pattern or anything, so we can pretty much lay it anywhere we want. See what we want. Lots of colors going on in this one. I'm just going to measure 3 inches around the whole seat. I'm just going to connect the dots. This one's kind of hard to connect to that since there's so much going on. Okay, so now we can start cutting. Cut the line off so you don't get any marker on your fabric. Okay. Roll this up. Get it out of the way. Try and get it center in there. See where the screw pattern is so we know what's front and what's back. Two in the front, two in the back. Get her in the middle. Now we're just going to put one in and go right to the opposite side. Put another in. This is the same thing for a square pattern too. One side, right across to the other side. Then you go diamond style. Give it a good stretch. Right to the other side. Same thing with these sides. Just going right across. Give it a good stretch. Boom. Now, gotta deal with these wrinkles. Just gonna pull them in. try and smooth them down. Give it a nice rub. Keep it going. I'm gonna have to fold it. You just gotta do that around the whole chair. Okay, so we're all done here. Just wanna make sure it's nice and tight. Make sure when you run your hand over it, it's not gonna have a bunch of excess fabric. This is pretty tight, so we're good to go. I'm just gonna trim the extra off here so we don't have a bunch bunched up. And we'll add a bottom to it so it's nice and clean. Professional looking. We'll stick a bottom on here. This is some cambric we have. It's a nice black bottom. And you're gonna fold it so you have that nice edge, not raw. And we're gonna do the same thing, just hit one side, go straight to the other, opposite side. Fold it. Hit it. Go right to the other side. Fold it. And hit it. This way you don't see all those wrinkles and staples underneath. Make this look nice. Now we'll go to the diamond, fold it in. It's gonna turn into a circle, I swear. Opposite side. Fold it in. This is actually the first thing you learn, is putting bottoms on. The same rule applies into every aspect of the upholstery game. Boom. Now you can just go around tucking in all that extra. That's that. Alright guys, we got our sprinkler bar stool done. Couple things, just remember 3 inches around the circumference, top to bottom, side to side, corner to corner. Just go to the opposite side. I use a compressor stapler, but you can use one at home, a hand stapler, or you can just bring it to me here at Dizzy Rock. Alright, till next time.